So hello guys, welcome again, and in this video we will starting banner ads. So firstly I will give you an introduction and tell you everything about what is banner ads and how to implement them. So let's go to our paint screen, or you can say a whiteboard screen. Yeah, we will using whiteboard this time because it is the newer Microsoft app in my system. I want to test it. I need to create a new whiteboard. Okay, just wait a moment. So let me show you what a banner ad is. So a banner ad is a ad that can place either on the bottom of the screen or either on the left of the top of the screen. Okay, so this is a banner ad. Sorry, I can't write correctly, but please understand what I'm talking about. Here it's also a banner ad. So we are representing by B. Okay, so you can either place a banner ad on the bottom of the screen or either on the top of screen, depending on your requirements. So let me tell you something. So in the Kivmob, when you place a banner ad on a screen, it will automatically placed in all of the screens. If you want to hide the banner, you can call the hide banner function in the Kivmob library of Kivmob library, and if you want to show the banner at a particular time, you can call show banner. So if your app has multiple screens, like screen number 1, oh, my drawing is really silly, screen number 3. So and if you want to place ads on all of them, so just simply put the ads on any one of the screens and never hide it. If you do so, suppose let me 1 second. Suppose it is the screen number 1, this is screen number 2, and this is screen number 3. Suppose you call your ad banner ad show banner in this screen number 3, then and you never hide it, you will never call the hide banner after that, then this banner automatically placed in all the other screens. You get that point now? Because it never gets hidden, because you never call the hide banner function, so it never gets hidden, and it also placed on every ads on screen. So many of you thinking that it does affect my monetization, or I can make much money if I do so. No, this is not the case. If you never hide it, the banner ads refresh every 1 or 2 minutes by Google. So it is, if you never hide it, it is same as you can place it on multiple screens or even on one screen. So it is completely fine. So and the next case is, if you want to show an ad on a specific screen, like if you want to show the ads only on at uh, the screen 2, not on screen 1 and not on screen 3. So what you can do that, on entering the screen 2, uh, call the show banner function in the on pre-enter function of the screen. You know about on pre-enter if you working with many screens, like, so on pre-enter call the show banner, and on pre-leave there's another function on pre-leave which will get called before you leaving to the next screen or jumping to the next screen. So call the hide banner. So it will do when you make a transition to this screen or either this screen, it automatically gets hide. So you don't need to worry about this that. So I think you got my point. So that's it for the explanation.